Tamil Nadu government is in a huddle to mull legal options available before it as the deadline to form the Cauvery Water Management Board expires today. In fact, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister E. Palaniswamy is holding an emergency meeting with senior ministers and bureaucrats in attendance. The Supreme Court, remember, on the 16th of February had pronounced the verdict over the Cauvery water dispute, and it had asked the centre to constitute the Cauvery Water Management Board within 6 weeks. That deadline, in fact, expires today. However, despite protests and continuous reminders from the state government, opposition parties and farmers, the centre could not adhere to the top court's order. Now the government is expected to approach Supreme Court to seek more clarity on the order.
Even though many opposition leaders are claiming that the centre has failed to constitute the Cauvery Water Management Board, the blame is also falling on Chief Minister EPS right now, because the opposition also claims that no effective pressure was given by the Chief Minister to the centre to constitute the board. And that's the reason we see this particular meeting with all the top players, Jayakumar, Velumani, all other important ministers are present over there, including the Attorney General. He's also present over here, because right now we're also getting a word that the centre will go ahead and file a clarification petition over the term scheme that has been in the Supreme Court verdict. Now the problem is that the Chief Minister or anybody from the government did not inform the people over here that the verdict only has a term called scheme and nothing giving clarity over Cauvery Water Management Board or Cauvery Water Regulatory Authority, and that's the reason this particular meeting is being held over here. Yes, the Tamil Nadu government has an option to go ahead and file a contempt of the court petition, but before that, if the centre goes ahead and files this clarification petition, that option will also be taken away from the Tamil Nadu government. So the meeting is being held right now over here. Opposition leaders, including M.K. Stalin, earlier has stated that if the Cauvery Water Management Board is not constituted within 6 weeks, the government should go ahead and file a contempt of the court petition. We will know in another hour or so what EPS decides.